After getting established on the ledge at the Waco, I move left and start climbing the face. At the second horizontal crack, I use a little finger pinch with my left hand and a sloper on my right palm so that I can step up and get a knee bar. With the knee bar in, I can move my hands up into the small crimps and begin the rightward traverse past the first bolt. This is the crux of the route. Between bolts 2 and 3, there are some good resting points. I use these to recharge and get ready for the ledges that I need to pull for the upper half of the route. From here, it's a cruise to the finish.
Pirates of the Carabiner. 10B11A maybe.